Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 BMW M4 is more than a car, it's a statement. This machine exudes confidence with every curve and contour, blending elegance with the raw aggression of performance design. Its bold kidney grille, athletic stance, and shimmering color options like Sao Paulo Yellow make it a commanding presence on any road, reflecting BMW's unrelenting pursuit of perfection. Inside, the M4 becomes a sanctuary of technology and luxury. A sweeping digital display combines a 12.3-inch gauge and a 14.9-inch central screen, powered by the seamless iDrive 8 system. High-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated, yet dynamic environment, making every drive an immersive experience. Underneath its refined exterior, the M4 packs a 3.0 twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, churning out up to 503 horsepower in the competition variant. With a heart that roars to 100 km height and a breathtaking 3.8 seconds, it stands toe-to-toe with competitors like the Audi RS5 and Mercedes-AMG C63. Priced around $75,000, it offers more than just speed, it's a masterclass in performance engineering. Owning an M4 isn't just a financial commitment, but a passion. With yearly maintenance costs around $1,000, insurance averaging $1,800, and depreciation, it's for those who see value in unparalleled driving experiences. The drive is immersive and thrilling, with responsive steering, rapid acceleration, and a soundtrack that echoes pure exhilaration. The M4's advantages include its power and luxurious interior, while the hefty price and bold look may deter some. For those who want a unique blend of luxury, speed, and style, the 2025 BMW M4 is a masterpiece on wheels.